For use with regular welding, there is no other device in its price class that can compete with a SmartFil. The decisive point, its 25 square meter filter area, which is twice as large as filters of comparable extraction units. The SmartFil is W3 certified. This means the unit has a separation efficiency of over 99.5% and is therefore suitable for processing chrome alloy steel. For welding fume collection, the cantilevered extraction arm is available in a length of 2, 3 and 4 meter with an operating radius of 360 degrees. Comfortable working at different positions is possible. The adjustable and flow-optimized hood also offers an extra large extraction field and can be positioned with just one hand. Another highlight is the Kemper safe change filter concept. This ensures a contamination-free filter change within a few seconds. By matching replacement filters, the filter area can even be extended to 42 square meters. The advantage is an even longer filter service life. In addition to the basic equipment, the SmartFil can be fitted with additional features. The LED hood light, for example, leads to a better view on the workpiece, while the optional start-stop automatic increases comfort and saves energy costs. In addition, we offer a free extended warranty. Simply register the machine online and extend the warranty period from 12 to 24 months. All this makes a SmartFil a well-rounded product.